Hi friends, welcome to my channel Starting Friend. Today I'm going to talk about this cryptocurrency that is ZBCN Coin or ZBCN Network Coin. In this video I'll be talking about latest technical analysis. So let's begin. You can see that I'm in the monthly chart. So let us draw the trend line. So you can see this is the support and this is the resistance. Okay, so previously you can see candle started from support, went to resistance, and now continuously the candles are falling. So if you draw the trend line, you can see this support and this is the resistance. Okay, so within this channel pattern only the candles are falling, so the downtrend is going on continuously. Okay, and once the breakout happens, then candles may move to this resistance level, that is around 0.007015. so from here, after the uptrend, if it starts, it may go up. So until then the candles will move in this downtrend channel pattern only. So if you go to the weekly chart, you can see very clearly how this candles are moving, and this is the support it has taken. Okay, so after this candles went up, fall happened. Okay, so candles have taken support here, and then it has taken support continuously in this level, and then it has gone up to this resistance level, and currently you can see candles are now at the resistance level. So from here the candles may start falling towards this support level, and then from here it may go up. So like this it may move in this channel pattern, and once the breakout happens, the candles may start moving towards the resistance level, and then fall may take place. So currently you can see candles are near to the resistance level. So if you draw the trend line, so you can see this is the support and this is the resistance. Okay, and if the breakout happens, it may go up to this resistance level, or else the candles may come down to support level. So if you go to daily chart also, you can see currently the candles are now near to the resistance level. So okay, and it may come to the support level, and after taking support it may go up, or else the candles may continuously fall towards support, and then it may start moving towards this resistance level. So currently you can see candles are very near to this resistance level. It is moving near to the resistance level only. So either the breakout may happen and candles may go up, or else it may fall to the support level. Okay, so previously it was moving near to the support level, and then it has gone up to the resistance level. Okay, you can see that very clearly. And if you go to weekly chart, you can see that continuously the candles are moving in this downtrend channel pattern only. Okay, and you can see if the breakout doesn't happen, then candles may move in this channel pattern, and then breakout may happen in this from here also, and then candles may start moving towards this resistance level, or else it will fall to the support. Okay, so like this it may move. Okay, so now we'll talk about other important details about this cryptocurrency. So you can see the current price is $0.003659. It is down by 4%, and in 24 hours, and rank is around 98. Around 46k users are following this cryptocurrency. Market cap is 365 million. Volume in 24 hours is 12.05, and circulating supply is 99.99 billion. Holder count is 103.08k holders for this cryptocurrency. So now I'll go to the chart, and always have a stop loss to prevent any major losses. Okay, suppose you can see if the breakout happens from here, and if you have an open position here, you should have a stop loss here. So after the breakout, if you have an open position here, then if the candle goes up, you make profit. If it reverses, you can exit with the help of the stop loss. So always have a stop loss to prevent any major losses. That is very, very important. Okay, so that's all for now. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe my channel, and this video is for educational purpose only, no financial advice. Do your research before you take up any decision. Thank you and have a nice day.